everybody, what's going on? Hope your day's going well. Where are we at? Like Wednesday? I mean, I've lost track of days. But I have not lost track of UPS man pulling up in my driveway with some new cards. 2019 Contenders draft picks, football. Same as last year. I think it's the same exact setup. 6 packs. I don't know if it was 18 cards or not. I guess it probably was. 6 autographs. Of course, they'll all be, well, they won't all be. God, I can't even talk today. Typically, they're all rookie autographs, but I think last year you could still pull a couple of vet autographs if you were lucky, really lucky. The main theme is draft pick, so it's going to be mostly rookie. So let's open this up and I'll show you the odds, because this is a brand spanking new item. Alright, there we go. Lots of stuff going on. As is usual, I really can't talk today, with Contenders cracked ice parallels. Those are really cool. You can get those. I'm trying to see if there's anything else new and different here. There's other parallels like championship ticket, RPS. Looks like there's different variations. Lots of that I'm seeing on there. Let's just get into it. So 310 card base set, including 185 college ticket, 100 season ticket, and 25 RPS college ticket. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Ooh, all kinds of green going on in there. Kyler Murray, and there's the packs. I do like these boxes that open like this, where the lid just lifts up like that. Very hassle-free. Ooh, nice and colorful. Reminds me of 2017. It had the colored borders, like well, it was a full border, but so pretty nice though. There's Geis, Darnold, Joe Mixon, Kamara, Le'Veon, Wentz, Drew Sample. It's the first autograph for, looks like, Washington Huskies. Okay. Game Day Gaskin, Game Day Deebo Samuel. Can't read this. What does that say? Oh, connections. Darrell Henderson, Tony Pollard, Damian Harris, draft class, Eddie George, Zeke, legacy. Then we have some vets: Dorsett, Juju, Sanders, Melvin Gordon, Darius Leonard, and Jordan Wilkins. Alright, pack 2. David Johnson, Red Grange, JJ Watt, oops, AJ Green, Favre, Nick Chubb, and Jonathan Abram, Mississippi State rookie autograph. So that's number 2. Gardner Minshew II game day ticket. Here's a parallel, a Golden Tate bowl ticket to 99. If you can see, it's got some shine to it, so that's nice. Who is this? Connections, Bobby Bowden and Deion Sanders, Florida State. Ryan Finley, draft class. Legacy, Herschel Walker and Fran Tarkenton, not Tarking. Bradshaw, Callaway, Breida, Marino, Rashad Penny, and Golden Tate again. There's Odell Beckham, Drew Brees, Kerryon Johnson, Brandon Cooks, Mitchell Trubisky, Derrick Henry, Next auto is Greg Dortch. Greg Dortch. And he is, who's Demon Deacons? Wake Forest, I think. Yeah, Wake Forest. So that is auto number 3. No parallel autos yet. Metcalf for Ole Miss. Font, I think he is Missouri. Oh, no, Iowa. Iowa. Cannon and Fournette connections. A.J. Brown draft class. Legacy, Ray Lewis and Ed Reed. Antonio Brown. Marquez Valdez-Scantling. There's Dak Prescott. Philip Lindsay. Zeke and Tom Brady. Pile. We're getting lots of cards here. Irvin Hopkins, Roger Staubach, James Conner, who I like a lot, Aaron Rodgers, who I also like a lot, Khalil Mack, and Gary Jennings Jr. for West Virginia. That is another base auto. Not the best autograph. Come on, Gary. Do a little bit better. You're not a superstar yet. Tyree Jackson, game day ticket. Karan Higdon, game day ticket. Damian Harris and Josh Jacobs, connections for Alabama. Rodney Anderson, draft class for the Sooners. Legacy McCaffrey and Bryce Love. Emmitt Smith, Tebow, Josh Adams, Nick Mullins, Deshaun Watson, and Saquon. Only one more pack. Oh, got a redemption. Whoop-woo. Let's save that just for fun. Let's do that. I don't always like doing that because it's kind of like, why bother? But since we're almost done, let's just hold on to it. All right. Russell Wilson, Jerry Rice, AP, Fournette, Cam Newton, Naheem Hines, David, what is this? David Sills the 5th. And this is a parallel to 99 bold ticket. Good looking card. Shiny. All right. And all we got left is that, hit-wise, is that redemption. Josh Jacobs, game day. Lil Jordan Humphrey. I swear it sounds just like a music star's name. Lil Jordan. Game day ticket. Connections, Darius Slayton and Jarrett Stidham for Auburn. Draft class, Will Greer, I'm assuming Greer. Legacy, Marshall Faulk, Rashad Penny, Josh Rosen. There's Baker Mayfield, Matt Ryan, Stephon Diggs, Jordan Howard, and Anthony Miller. Alright, pull these up. We'll do the redemption last. TJ Hawkinson, game day ticket. Brett Ripien, game day ticket. Connections, Earl Campbell, Ricky Williams, N'Keal Harry, draft class. Marcus Allen, Carson Palmer, legacy. Broadway Joe, and Amari Cooper. So Bama action back to back. Marcus Allen, Christian Kirk, Mahomes, Earl Campbell, Ray Lewis, Herschel Walker. Boy, he was fun to watch. Tre'Quan Smith, Julio, another Bama player, and Roethlisberger, Gallup, and let's do this. So we're looking at RPS College Cracked Ice Ticket Variation B of card number 110 of Drew Lock. Oh, wow. That's, I think, one of the better ones. Not bad. Cool. Well, how fast will Panini get it to me is the question. I don't know. Nowadays, sometimes I just sell the redemption if it's not a card I'm going to add to my collection. They get so aggravating. I'm really hoping this new lawsuit against them will light a fire under their bootay and make them start getting some of these cards out faster. So, I mean, this is a cool pull. I'm really happy about it, but I'd rather have the cards than this little IOU. So, I don't know if you noticed the picture I posted, the thumbnail. was 2 boxes, and I do have another box of this, which I will open and have for you guys tomorrow. We've also got Score coming out, and I think there's one other thing, which is usual, I can't remember, but definitely Score football's coming up. Oh crap, and something else. But anyways, I've got stuff pre-ordered, of course, as usual, and I will have it all for you, or most of it. I think National Treasures is coming out this week, but it's way too expensive, too rich for my blood. I'm just your regular Joe. I don't know if Joe's the right word since I'm a female, but you know what I mean. I'm not paying up for that. Maybe one day, not right now. But other than that, I have most everything. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and turn your notifications. And that's it. I'll see you all again soon.